Meticulously built over months for a US-based customer, the SLRV Freightliner 4x4 Expedition vehicle features a 3-point torsion-free subframe and a 5.2 m long composite camper body, a bespoke floor plan and an electrically liftable bed above the club lounge to maximize interior space. The SLRV Freightliner 4x4 camper comes, fully equipped, with a range of 110V appliances. It also features a next-level off-grid power system including 1380Ah lithium batteries, Mastervolt 6000W inverter, truck charging system and 1.2 kilowatts rooftop solar with 100A solar charger. Other highlights include 600 liters of water storage, 25,000 pounds winches front and rear, SLRV Expedition roof rack and crash bar and KCT double-glazed windows. The SLRV Freightliner 4x4 is a go-anywhere home on wheels. The left-hand drive Freightliner M2 1064x4 medium-duty truck-based camper is SLRV's second camper for the US market, the first being based on an ex-military Acela 6x6 truck in 2021. This also ensures maximum comfort in the cabin, minimal movement and allows the driver to enjoy working behind the wheel.